And once that, yeah, the man in Yumeko, I would wait. Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Erata Motors. For the best car batteries and oil, buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana. The future is you. Agbeve Herbal Center. IRSFE. We don't be a kwadu kumi atnasis. So and Nana J Obrempon CP. Bema Tintin Gramwa. Enviably. Ejano. Akasvo.
Yeah.
Sofu.
Yeah.
Is everything all right?
Sofu got, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a contemporary pastor.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
And no, what you saying?
Oh, contemporary, you see.
Sorry, I'm barefoot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And I wanted to break it into grammatical syllabations. But let's proceed. Let's proceed.
Listen, me pay.
Now, who's that? So for guy if we're back on what you back your type of heaven bay.
Oh, about phone.
Yeah.
Also for guy, what me done airport, what me done a crab, what me done over 1 year, what me also on Danajatan and Nimia means. Bakoha, Bako, Bunkubago, any fan.
You,
Massa, baby, a free baby will be home. So for what, so for what, just what I'm the lawyer. Oh, I'm the lawyer do say, what I'm the lawyer.
Oh, so for
This one I call lawyer for Blaguji. What I'm the lawyer, was the lawyer back on her said no mercy. We did a job, man, as well. Okay, time 2013 year day, as I'm the quarter, MPP and DC about 1 month and semi copy more court. Was a lawyer back here, no what you charge papa ya, yet you could know the milord, Sanya, your man in the pay with them. Lawyer for the oh, for I'm not ready now. Oh, for milord, I it's a daily guide. What the Abana CJ, ye are on one body, material botan be or botan no near radi.
I then see
material botan says, yeah, sorry, no, you're ready. I to covenant you upon poor Bako. You are a trio botan team. What you say? Well, botan no near radi. A radijna machi, so don't bury ma, ni who ye who. Wako mame, eti. Ma tafunya bashia se ama eradi domechi so don't bury ma nehu yehu akoma me eti ma tafunya bashia se coronavirus of what yeah, sorry no. Said you be see him a good intrusive croma no. On almost why mistake. It do the daily guide on. Mamma Franchise here was obedient fires lawyer. A moon sam no. Okofie mo kaneshi court say tabua bono. Say wakikan sembi a was false publication. Now false publication criminal code no. Not just a crime. It's now also about obeying someone. Now, at the Obokratana Kasim was it the man who calls himself the man of God? One of the friends said, Yamia friend. They said, the Obokratan just said, Yame friend, you and I were not there. What you said? It's another Obokratan or the one some Babontia, one Saka Obit said the Ecoso was the national security to get Boyomi properties. There's opinion Alfred Agbesi Boyomi. Wajini dion openyina jini di pop. Hey, because a true time be pa. Obetraka se bosso the Daily Graphic Ghanaian Times why just maybe abefebia by what you mean? What trendy? Net trending in pa. Is it Kragana mpo why net trendy?
Mfano anya usofu ya.
Obi ni what trendy na debut we are sure so net trendy. Debut COVID-19 coronavirus. Oh, there's serious.
Global trend.
Someone open you know what you mean. Yes, and I just had this said national security for what we must have to so. na afa japade se bebo ne donko mi se be ne dem se duru ba bi no wo maka se na japade nke yenton na japade ne so bi gu apampan so a mo sha se so mo bodonko mi we dia wanga na wo yo mi no ma ye ton ne ade obi anto eno ma ne ye wo ka inti say the national security for ena de wo mo agimu na wo se nipa 100 pane betimi akwakosom we yensam a na na dodan kwakufu adgana mampanyin wo de bai de wo de to yanim ayi no ena no kwasi ada na afa na daily guide wo mo de aba monte wo se 100 worshippers 1 hour says na se nipa 100 pom ko sha sore dem a mo bibia tin si mai don repepepe na se wo de bibia aba na wie ye no na nsam a ene de obokrata daily guide ensem bi ka ho no wo de aba monte
na yakan we Ghanaian Times. Now, let me move to the page number 13 because story review. Now, I'm producing the verbatim as and when it is producing. Now, what the about to say is in COVID-19 restrictions. Column. Don't rush to open churches. Clergy urges restraint. Now, Christian Council of Ghana had the advice. Say, almost members in say, Maumun ye haste. They shouldn't rush. Say Yasiman Panisi betimi akwa sorry from a year 5th ekono enuntino ye betumri kai ko bia sorry ni ade was bibia should be systematically arranged and orderly followed. Protocols must be observed accordingly. Said ye beya yan kase ye kosum nyame ne nkotete yade yi emfanye ho Esa sasa ya de we aba Yesu Kristo kra wo ba. Ekonamana na suafo no so sanitizer. 80 men and women of God no munya botre. Chairman of the council, Most Reverend Dr. Paul Kwabena Boafo. Ena wade atudwa wo chemchese no kwasem. Asor na ye biem de ye. Na mum so mbetu tutumrika ne de. They should be very worried of that man. Other than that, a tantamount to curiosity. Emma asembeba. Akrate diaba. Pay 13 one more. Okay.
Gwagu. Yeah, call the statesman no front page no na page.
Na Dankwa Institute for Nekasei. Statesman de Obokrata. Wamoso masam ye tiawa. Mame Charlotte say emra wono na abato komisa no epanyipa woda no wona na pamfo. Yes 2012. Sense bebrebe koso abato komisa kogina wona ye ntro. And we trying to the Abeto Mountain was the EC lied to Supreme Court in 2012. Ninada NSI, the Obokrata Nitruma, no among voters register near Belfort. And Noma Bibre, one and Quay voters register in CJ, the Obokrata Momamos wo, Womam Swan Tregana for. And Womuchan Trocher Ghana for na Yasu Niji, 18 so voter register ye. Session quite says I'm a Puma Robima Rohongwa. It's another Obokratano, and then what they about when Yamana make a Dankwa Institute for Nekan Daily Statesman, the Obokratano, Umatin the Ababontin. Mamma Humano Sonamine, or Richard Ahaba, or Executive Director, Dankwa Institute, and to train and come on, right about Temenka, no matter what Quaba, Jason Samsoni. Major Associate. So, when dear Tamiadum. Okay. Mama making reference to 2012. Then a one as a Ghana for a say a electoral commission and fan to Yanima mobile money Rahaba.
Yo, Midas, Mitchell, Mitchell with tea for you and Ghana for you. And it's a battle on Kratiana, I am Commodie, if 2014, so I need 2016 at the Cotoban, yes, I'm not to Chman, the Entrany Engine ye. Now the air can say. Ghana for you na this year, almost equal more. Tis a bar, a manual sermon, a battle, some more Ghana phone corner walk wine say, and Tina, a young penny for Yambra, almost say, I see who near or your Ghana for. Now all day in your will be back and say, I'm more cosa crata anymore. Because when you come san crata anymore, to me say a toe swab and as a old two be swab and obey him. And the crata conqua, see, making sure say kind of phone quan and a kumu, now mutumia, or to Sanamono, a ye or candy for an answer will be a baby nose or candy. And you know, 2012, a battle crata, moya, papa, Dr. Farajaji anymore. And Krata, the call Parliament, and more money, so said, Mufasa Kwan with some coin. Indeed in Krata, and she shares so. And no more the coye. And Krata, no so said your motor tone is somewhat the coye to man. And Chere, and I say and say oh you Ghana ni na wo your passport in the buy ni true dia a chinebi who ba some so oh you Ghana ni to me kohwe dey ka so the passport or the buy any number wo mu ye menko passport office and kohwe say ampa Ghana passport and I say fake o man fa di she bi ambassa so driver license na the buy ya amfa bi anto sakrata no so say aha ni atro nke hu ba chinyi a e betumi akokrata mu ni akohwe so driver license here no kroje wo je na Ghana for dia enti wo ye Ghana e di dia masa enti no say e ba na ye ko ama ye ba na Abu Ramadan Evans ni makoko court say na Supreme Court ka say obi biara o de NHI card e register no sa card no enkyere nyina so pass wo ye Ghana ni enti sa for ni enyi omu free Ghana for abato kata konkro ni mu na isi say you betumi yi na isi okwa akoyi say the medical no wakai CI72 ya omode ye adwuma no amfa eyi bia amase aha na wo tworo obi NHI card number enti say ba so okwa akoyi no a wahwe saa number no na odi yi o free ena mo say yo bokwa akoyi nkrata nkokofo yi ana meche say ekwan pen na obefa so saa kwan de ni ho emfa ho say oyo D4 na so ye kwan ontumi enti no eno ayenyina so enti na kire say dia Supreme Court say isi nko yi mfi nkrata ni mu a omode NHI card e de register ya enyenyina so pa kire say wo ye Ghana ni no omantumi enyi di na mfiri mu nti se wantumi enyi mfiri mu asa krata we ebetumi aka say Ghana fo nkwa na wo mu ana abra ebi e de nkrata eye njira so kotoro ya Supreme Court say sa nkrata no enkire say wo ye Ghana ni e na odi aba e de to so mienu Supreme Parliament and she say ya omoye wo CI72 no ede ma yisi say monhwe so mfa nye adwuma no omo ma kwan say so be the passport ba oje e kire say oye Ghana ni obi the driver's license ba je e kire say oye Ghana ni obi the national identification ba je e kire say oye Ghana ni obi the national health insurance card ba je sa bre no say oye Ghana ni until say Supreme Court say menje no just and your mawe and also say voters ID card na e wo ho I had it to about 2008 no so be there no so ba say nyina so oye Ghana ni a je no oye Ghana ni and as Parliament she said the ma is say fako ye dwuma isi ji ade fi Parliament pe no no e di foforo koka ho eti amra say Parliament ayen she say fa we kokko ye dwuma na wo de bia koka ho omo free Parliament no omo the birth certificate e koka ho omo amutumi pa any kwanso mo yesa omo free Parliament no omo the baptismal esubon kata e de koka ho wo mo amutumi enye Parliament na show mo so mo ye sa de we etiamra enti sa document we omo ye etia Parliament mra no sa register we ye jitu mu se Ghana de se kronkron register ye de to aba enye yi sa nyina so we na e de ho opini ECBO sa enshisha ya was CS72 ni mu no oma ye dia nsem ni no maka kire wie no omo san ko tro nkata omo de tete omo penifo a agi Ghana fo din ana se tro Ghana fo din no ya so mo Ghana ha bibia se mo nkonko tro Ghana fo din fa mre ye no oma kire omo se nyina so a wa kire se obi ye Ghana ni no enyi hia sa se wonya eno ansa wotumi a kire obi din so na ade ya ne si ya ni Parliament ahye se woji sa nyoma we ya mebobọ so yi ansa wotumi ama obi akonkrata ni mu na ECD aka ho anso ho na mo sa ko ka kire omo a etwero din ni se mokọ na obi ba so obetwero din na wonkura sa nyoma yi a ehye ya hye so de so ye Ghana ni no kurampo no wo de mo twero ni din openi se Ghana ye wo dia na wo pese wo ye ne kroje se Ghana fo nko ha ne nko nkrata bi mu a kire so mo ye Ghana fo no a na wasomo obi so onko twero din brawo na akwan we na ofa so atwero din ekire we hu ekire no bi baka kire so akwan we so na nipa we fa etwero Ghana fo din a aye se wo Ghana fo a masa obeji atum enti emfa hu ene eka ye bebo emfa hu ene emra ye ni adia enye no yemfo aso mfa anya de because o de ya esei udi ya esei openi obre anukure I say the eduma ne say kraka we emfa ho se party bi so pa na se party bi so mpe emra kwan so no san kraka we the eduma ye dada ye ho ye the eduma ye tutu ye democracy na say because democracy na ye mra na ye nti say isi betra kurom ha ebu emra na nimutia na ye koso ade ye adwuma asa ye mfa akwampa so enti enomo na ye gina say isi enko ye nkrata foforo na de aba no a isi dada 2016 omontumi anya ne de omedi abro but isi we omokwa akoye no omamen omoninda ho na Ghana fu nyina ewo haw ayenti ye ho ase no omoto mo bonkyerechire mu no bi ante no ho ase because e dia me no wa kai the GD said do na beti no beti say ade ye pe Ghana fo nkwa na nkomu enye se obi a wode NHI card ko register anya Ghana ni but emra kire say sa nipa no enye on kire pa say o ye Ghana ni ene sa card no de ba enti yi ni din free mu na ma on sanfa ahyensode a ye Ghana ni e kire say o ye Ghana ni enfambra na nefa ne tum but wo hwe sa asem we nyina openi na meka kire wo say isi ntitiye mu no also ba omo enkontro di no ka kire omo sa hyenso de no kora ehia enti na kire say document we ya compile no to make say obi biara wo mu bi because hyenso de bia ni ho say we ye Ghana ni na wo bi mu ato so obi ametro so obi atumi tro ani ye nim say ba bato di tro no political parties no e ko so ni pa ba wo ko fa ha no mo de ba sa fa we aba mo de we fa we aba enti say bibia ni ho asi kwan ye kire say wo ye Ghana ni na so we nya Ghana ni a ene so obi abetumi akofo obi aba betro enam say democracy gugu amamu ntino wa opotumi afa nipa bebre wure mu no na wo na wo wini enu na ya asem a ye kata ye Ghana for de amanya of cool no betumi aye omoma politics but ye Ghana for ne de ye pese no kureba mu na omo e wo sanka chanu ye nyina gidi say omo ye Ghana for because e ba achicha ye nyina na beche ana say ye nyina no beche mana ya so say bi omo amunya Ghana for de na esisi e ya bam.
All right, Richard Mamimisa, the argument are sometimes yet to free the opposition. Sir, Omo the NHIS register, Electoral Commission, etimia yiwamunina after the court ruling, no. Electoral Commission, etimia yiwamunina edin every voters register him. How do you take it, Richard?
Master, I know correct. As anyway, and no can say isi edin tro, sebio edin tro court because in fact, modiya registration, registration document, you free be from 1A. So from 1A, no, and the children ma who the register, say CJ say would date of birth, maybe a fee, address, village, and answer district, voter ID number, any and in a soa, a trace or your gun any, sa card and crata or the bano, number a Timoso. It is all the passport in the buyer, better passport number. But CI 72, no, from 1A, no, and need the beer was to say. What your passport in the buy into passport number near some medical kayan. And to say, I see Uncle Yisi James here, and I say, oh, more the passport, a register. Yonko you money name free more. Of quite person of a fee. Because all the ashes would be actually say, CJ the passport in the buy, and I say Richard, and the NHI card the buy. And to say, and also Koya, and from Sona or Kakoyano, because we are default Nipa Afra. Na ya say share the only web and nunti and say will provide say way the way na buy we share CF 72 no swap and the national identification card and the buyer says will be the batch and number ha it is a basis here say enko hwemu na yen hwe mo the national identification card 2012 2014 and the register ya e betumi ehu omo but say baso ko fa omo the NHI card dia only quite bia obeyi omo free because I sense be bia ni ho enti say isi ka so mo ko yi 56,772 and ya no correct na omo the ayi omo the buy no so list be omo the buy no sa list no na di ni bi wo ho number bia na ho say number we kire say NHI card e bia buy so na numbers be 4 and wo kire say NHI card that NHI bi say o fa kwan ben so and a year, the sense away NHI, who says away the HI, and our year. Now, before a more court, Pacho, or more court, as someone easy they got down court in the essay. Court, yes, no. Sir NHI card, Abu Ramadan, any if as Makodia Basse, Yen, free woman, Jin to Musa, so dear matches will be a gun, and sad card, no, you probably Ghana, how you should at their register. And it's a court much your master. Na mo yi sa card di free mo na Ghana for millions and mo pack apart say omo ntumi nkoto aba enti mamonji Evans ni makon ene yebra Abu Ramadan case ni ntum na mo ma NHI card for no yemfa ne say ahye so do pa kire say o Ghana ni enti so what a million do want mamonyi free na ye se ko yi free mo afi na 56 na the buyer 56 million.
Okay, Richard Mamimbisa, Abribe important na Dankwa Institute muhu sa errors ya isi aye nyina a fiansa na moka sei. Richard.
Daddy, say the dro no. Na yehu say say de no kura ye adwuma. E na nsam no so na empanifo ka bebre but ade bia wo ne mre. What they say, ade bia wo ne mre edum pempen so a na de dro no na ye ya. Say Ghana fo a say enne yade abai na ye bia so no ho so bia bo no ho bai na sa boni we akoso sa friend is illegal act ya akoso na afedi aba sa bre yi say ye ba be ye register na ebi say ye mti ase ma omonye obi say de beko court ebi say beko court say ya nhwe na mbere susu ni ho ya nhwe ne ya ma asem de ni anda ho a beko akowie say Ghana fo ye beko ha obi mu a pressure baba be da ye so enti ye wi say asem no kure da ho a anase twini da ho a ye monche enti ye mfa asem no beto ho na Ghana fo nti ase say we nti na isi person ye register no and ye hu ye say isi ne so ankasa no eduma na so mo ye kire mu no omo nkire mu Ghana fo nti Ghana fo bebere aye worried enti ase so ye enti ase ye per register but someone I saw mo ka kire Ghana fo ti ase because what ti ase say ya wo say yes koye fofora because we Ghana ni a wo dwene Ghana that wo je wo beti ase akwa koye enunti ene ye say me yanka no kure no e wo gidie say ka no kure ma Ghana fo ti ase a on beti ase say we eisi wo nyina so say ese wo ye do isi dada na say ye o manye no ye behwe ama sabre ya ye ama na boa Ghana enunti na ye kasa afi.
Okay, but Richard, then I can put it to you, sir. You've done Ghanaians great disservice because, sir, Afiansa na Mokasam. When, of course, you could have started raising these issues by 2 years ago and now 3 years ago. And about this time, Ghana for Adrima, I almost straight kakra. Say, oh, then of course the EC has a point in compiling a new voters register. Say, see, akabe few weeks. Na easy whether or not to compile a new voters register. Next time I'm register issues. You've not been fair to Ghanaians, Richard.
No, there be CJ. I saw some way in Ada. So, in some way, and some more for easy for him. I saw more catcher Ghana for your Mojuma. Some would this uncle we not be as idea. Ye. Yes, so yes, somewhere by age matter try, and also why ye the Asum Ghana for Abesina and Raya the assembly. But the catcher on the say, Richard Baton, other part of my manusi, the Mepasa and say, easy. I saw Moshe any Ghana for Din command, Ghana for Betia, the Tia almost some year register. Now, and they are. Na ayese ye beya na se yenye na se beya se yenye na odu breso wo beye no so mutumi eka ema enida wo kire Ghana fo ye ndia ye efri ehwehwemu a ya ye fi Ghana fo eno na ye de nya nyina so a ye de kasei na sa hwehwemu yi so agibre enye enene ye kira ne ye it take almost 5 months and ye de ye san hwehwemu ya bedu ha na ye conclusion ne say Ghana fo nti ase Ghana for penchiremu, Ghana for pese yehu de tia isi pese oye register no. Enunti se yehu sa ehwehwemu ne enyano Ghana for de aba no. Eno na yegyina so eno a ede ye sa ehwemudie. Se be ya de yehu efe ehwehwemu ne mu no, ye de hu mfasode abre Ghana for because omo na kire se ye ntiase. Ti omo ntiase de a ese ye boa na omo tiase. Enunti na eno a ye start say ye di sa nkomo.
Well, say I can say people are for children. Say eka yenyi sa dino enfrim na ye opt for limited voters registration. Say yetimi sa dino ifrim anase ntimi yenyi sa dino enfrim na ye de to aba na say ye di mampani and members of parliament. That makes the people elected persons illegitimate. Is that correct, Richard?
Absolutely. So train a man so power dia because obi nya de hie na okodi hini a ye di na esi ade so kora etumi tu no enti wa fa kwa paso kwan paso na akodi ade no ene ye hu ene me some make catch say ye mie ye ni na de sa kratai koto aba no a obi tumi de sa ni peyi se na nado dan kwa kufado na wini yo tumi de ne kokko se kratai o ye de to aba ma wo no en fa kwan paso enti etumi etu no fi ade so enti ade ani da ho but the idea ya and he said adi ne anya day 2016 abrana nipa bi akokọ to say ade we enin na ho and that would be at the ho kai former president Mahama no so munya is no onye de djuma the mo promo bi ka mo de monka is na be fa dia ope wo na enu ti yentumi anya baton krata no emfa ho say dia to abayi na nado dan kokufado emfa ho say dia to abayi this assembly but asem no kure and ye democracy and famra kwan so ne ye ya ye chia no and no ne ye can say asem titua say emma Ghana 40 say because sa to me no say be you obi amana die ni no e Ghana fon kwa dia enti se nkrata no ye di one bank asem say we ye nye sure say we mu ye Ghana fon kwa enti no kwan ya fa so e di ye mane ye no eni na question will be say ba say ye so mo nko yi di ni free mu ana say nye limited registration to me enye moja hwegu a ontumi nsesa na say wo so bi hwegu for ba ontumi nsesa biu an krata no omode ye no amma kwan an kire kwan a mo fa so eyi di ni film an kire kwan a ye fa so yi di ni film a okọ isi sen ekọkọ yi film enti de se wo ya ni se wo ye foforo ana na ada no me kamede fatu ho se gari ene amia efra wo ontumi nyi film ti okọ ye gari foforo so ka gari fufuro dia to be kokoye the gari a wopese odu na mi afra untumi ndi tan mari nyeji enti die dro no ye ntumi nyi edini film uma isi 1000 years ko untumi nyi film
Richard not say na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo am famra kwan so na ye no out so se say mampanin
ana me ka say
based on argument and pay you raising
no ya semwa because no what they can say yes betumi aka say krata no a ye di to aba no 2016 na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo ne MPP no mo se krata we nya papa but the okura to me sa abre no I say we are near the bayo enti say ofum so bi ba o mfa nche na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo de o tena ho hwe ye ma ye di sa baton krata yi a won keka wa bebiri no e de ye no ono na wo de sa subo no bono se nkana na do na ti o yen hwai we anya mfa we anya o tumi ka say ana wonim de enti a wo se yen fa we nya enti wo payo na o de ma ye di krata we yi enti wo di for but enye na do dan kwa sa abre no na ono ne party se krata we won keka wa no mo de court ni de ka enti eno subo no betuma ka say krata no de ho asam answer say de to aba but enye subo no enye na do dan kwa ne party na de kobo because omo kai say krata we yensesa na odi oti so a ono hwe say beboa no ana so benya mfa so free mo say me yensesa enti eno de otumeka but ho subo no mfa mbo na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo ne na abai
aseme twatwo na afei minja kwan electoral commission say ka say timelines as so meaty has become a little bit challenging according to Kakramano. Maybe sir Dankwa Institute say moye civil society organization enti electoral commission betimi atro abato krata emuda ho fan o hwemra akaya Richard na menya kwan
sige Ghana fo nyina na se eboa na yeye because yenkwa yakwenya yenkwa yasede yenkwa asudi adaye so as Ghana for we ka ho bi sa de no aba na eho asebo a ehwe ne yenye ne yi yankasa ye de ye pedi a ye bebre enti no yenhwe na yenye ne yi na ya to democracy yase na yanse no amma ye ma ekirima amma beto adeba ye nimbe bia ye fi bae na buga ne military ni wi haye jeni pa ya kaya de kurum ha ya ban ka krama ya bebedu democracy yembo democracy no ban democracy no ban bone ne say omo a eto aba kurum ha ebi ne ka say na ya anya ye we ya na basabasa ebeba ye de no kure ye edwuma asumdwe ebetena Ghana ha enti ye mna akai se nyina yere ho na de ale ye kan na say isi pekwan bi a obefa so abo Ghana fo hu ye Ghana fo nyina ho ban say ye kwa akotoro ye di na obi enkufa ya de enkufi omo ye ntutu ya abeboa ma obi aye safe so if it to me yes ade no a no gidie say akada ba akokrampo ne ekoto aba say ye de no kure ye adwuma enti no Ghana fo betuma akotoro ye di ama na ye yi na ye nyina nso ye ni wom sije wangasa woni wom na Ghana ha nyina obi ani wom yenhwe yenfa no kure nye adwuma na ye yesa abeboa ebenya friend is confidence abetuma akasa abato nkrata wi ye krojin ne Ghana fo a omo nyina de ahyeso de bai so mo ye Ghana fo titi tumi ditum say Ghana fo nkrata na e dia adwuma sa ama na aboa ba me ogidie pa sa eti base betumi atro nkrata na mo ada o ye nyina aboa na e support abeyi
right ngoma me na wasene mfansi ya
Richard
Ahiagba is the executive director Dankwa Institute and Yaneno Atwetwe and Common. I don't 106.3 FM for WhatsApp messages bring me 055 674 8029 055 674 8029 WhatsApp Faudi Kahona for Adventure to a Benjamin Afia can come out. Also live on Facebook at 106.3 FM on Facebook. Okwa you streaming live utimi share na obi so anya bi ahwe for comments to ho na yenkenkan and far amount. Let me stay on the phone lines for a while. Now, Mene Sami Jemfi, or National Communication Officer of the National Democratic Congress. Mene no, and Chechen and Komo. Sami, Akwaba. Hello, Sami.
Yes, CJ, me also.
I want to
about that actually.
Well, I'm not a press conference. Most Nkuntabuo, Mohapa, anything, Sami.
Mr. Ransan, I'm a call and write a press conference. Yeah, listen. Some command now only mean Richard Ahiyagba aid in the me. I can be Kaka.
Sami, Mammy Mousima, na can't be Kaka Nafi.
Sima any because I am command here.
But Sami, the entire metro Safreo on a different issue, and yet now institutes for and common. So when me
Nina for mine.
And to me, so young family no Enyajuma, na Fabesima Kakakana fee, young common press conference in the
Julia, my time crank and press conference now because of the Nipa Binuha or my margin said no crepa and then no credit. Radio mobile kebi. Omonam radio akase fidie so etu futuru guni penny. Number 1. Richard Ahiyagba semwa wakase voters register ya woni mpin. And none ye de to abayi o mampeni Akufo-Addo. Manowene ye with over 1 million votes no. Oze netia ba be fregari because I register no. Ebi mu wo mu a eni se nkomo wo mu ebi mu wo mu a omode health insurance card ne register sasem no eyi nkuntumpo eni se mososo no so maneka e wo mafidi kesi so because we are doing this thing to educate people, and when people come on radio to lie like this we have to expose them. Must check it my job online, Google right now ube who my job online story actually say time when Abu Ramadan case in the Supreme Court, the number 2 no. Court in order say ye more omode health insurance card a register you didn't free register them. Supreme Court ankasa fa auditor a KPMG. Emo wo ye hwehwe mu ehu omo omode health insurance card register any na. Mate say Richard Ahiyagba number bi kika say oh enya possible say so will be the health insurance card and register I will be who. He's saying so because Yabato wants to say on Tiasia. Ogana ha who register or polling station be an voter registration center be a form be why now. That form no and also now what try me being papa di baby who free fear with the friend of form 1A. On that form 1A no primary identification document and now the BD advances that we are done and your trend also. Say a birth cert here also. Say a driver's license here also. Say a NHIS card here also. A voter's ID here also. And you know, Supreme Court can say health insurance card for a mobile register no so no. Any so mo no. KPMG check it from 1A is nina and identify 56,772 names or more health insurance. And they register, and this is there. And I'm publish all the names 1 to 56,772, and almost in line with the Supreme Court order. No, you must register anymore. And until say what cancel for you, you have the right to reapply in the next 10 days. Now, all the card for Fraba to justify your inclusion. Omo yeye ekobo Supreme Court amane e ma Supreme Court jitu mu se adwuma no maye. Masa se Supreme Court ma order. Na wo busu a. Onim boni awaye. Ye fa no high crime in law. It is not a small offense. And to sit on radio and say Supreme Court gave an order, see any NHIS food register mu and afa return anye. And am wa dance say wanye. And I be seen there will be antimi court back and say court order now so we are citing them for contempt or we are citing them for high crime, and you are on radio spewing lies and deceiving people. So the point I want to make is that you have to register anymore. And listen, CJ, Supreme Court and Kani baby say Obi use health insurance card and they register by register this one. And they register it is absurd for anybody to even argue like that. Abu Ramadan called Supreme Court, no. The argument in the say, and Kofobi will register as well in this one, the Supreme Court in can register anymore. Now, order is in Koya Monochia. And the Supreme Court, any grounds in Mina, and no ball grounds don't do in a guye. And no J Bako Petu, say, with argument to say, they used to have insurance card and register, and therefore, and was here you moving free register the media, a transum. But the fact that we used to have insurance card, register, and interest register, but it was here training them. Our remedy, let's say, South one on the new moving free, or more aka, or more in their millions, our man for health insurance card, and register, no, leave your names there. So even if, CJ, even if say eneya ye ka say obi wa dance here say obi the health insurance card they register but for some reasons needing will register as well. The remedy in line with the Supreme Court order they say you will submit that name for the Supreme Court to order the EC to delete it from it because they have already given that remedy.
Okay.
You cannot say, oh, Aka Ebimu will register, so which is not true anyway. But assuming without admitting, say it is true, though. You cannot say Aka Kakra or something. You have to register in Antonjure. Say yes, idea. At the Supreme Court, Anka say you have to register in Antonjure. No more order says so. Be womu no the NHIS card the register ya. Ye free bra ye free. No could be sana sembi. Ono Anka sa unim say the efidia would sue inti Aka say no ko nyano. Oh, you say. Would be uncontrollable if you feel now. And not talk was oh, man, Edikai. Yet you go qua, CG, say a dinima. It is a register now and naked and saying a register, papa. Now, was it talk of 40 women waiting with more? And no one penny for what you could understand yet. It means it's a register, I had to Abama Rene, I did your cabo more for him, or more by 1 million votes, and your papa. And therefore, elections also then your papa.
Okay. Okay.
That's what it means.
Okay. Sammy, can we make progress?
Because they know the register is credible. And CJ, EC4 2016, 2018, yeah, referendum creating regions. Last year, 2019, yeah, assembly elections, elected 6,000 assembly members and over 30,000 unit committee members. Adhere to say the register is credible, the register is clean, and on election.
Okay, Sammy.
I just have results in that 2-1.
Sammy.
Okay. I think that register idea to about Amama winning by over 1 million votes.
Sammy Denfi. Your point has been made. What make your point? Sammy. Sammy Denfi.
The pity in penny for
Medase. Yanko yanim na fe and no press conference amoye boy munafi mingina sum bisa
but who say honorable at for us presentation no one interest or part my starting free. CJ Enra at your maiden edition of weekly press briefing. Somewhere di kanya your ranking member on Parliament Committee of Finance, so the two gonna say Ghana Yamamra principles be wom. Just a Yamamra 1992 Constitution winning a so be. Saying in a so no, a bine the affair of transparency. See a bema mamu wadaho. Or mine sika sem wadaho, a friend of transparency. A bine accountability ni probity. And not say the 2 million shares and I had your my Japadia shares, had your my sika shares, now you sue. I was a ubu who contact your mouth for. A yasudia, a buy any moon penny fool in ano, a war. I was on my ye at the mouth mine. I couldn't abu here. And until now, Copon cries, boy is any power, the other, we are saying, and maybe person or may home a contact. And che ena yareboni coronavirus baya stati se edi o mining ena o mampenye Kufuado ne maami nuaba na o ye finance minister honorable Ken Ofori-Atta kom na shebedwem se yemma na kwan na sika bia o mampenyi Mahama Efra Konwa so odigja abanwe o monko fa sika no na o monfa mo ahiafo wonu a woni bi o mo nya aduane ni sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo ho bɛhe han ɔmo sɛ sika no de dodoɔ ɛyɛ $200 million a wode ba cedi a ɛyɛ 1.2 billion President Mahama ɛna ɛboaboa no gu foto a yɛfrɛ no stabilization fund mu out of oil sika a yɛnya no wɔ Ghana ha ɛna ɔkɔ no ɔde gya ɔmampanyin Akufo-Addo kɔ mmarahyɛ badwa mu a na mmarahyɛ badwafoɔ sɛ yɛate yɛde saa sika no ma 1.2 billion fa kɔboa ahiafoɔ ne wɔn a wɔnni bie especially ɛwɔ mmea a yɛyɛ lockdown te sɛ Nkran Tema Kasoa Greater Kumasi ɛne ne mpatamu na sika no ohwɛ ɛho nhyehyɛeɛ a ɔmampanyin na aban ka sɛ ɔmo bɛyusu mu 40 million Ghana cedis ɛnka ne tete sika no 400 billion na ɔmo de aduane hyehyɛhyɛ akyɛ ama Ghanafoɔ bɛ 400,000 every day ɔmo san so ka sɛ sika no 40.3 million cedis which is 403 billion cedis ɔmo de bɛyɛ dry food ɛkyɛ sɛ aduane a yɛnya no a ɛmo anwa nkosua na ɔmo de akyekyɛ ama wɔn a wɔnni bi wɔ lockdown areas ebiem yɛsan so ɔmo 200 million Ghana cedis ɛyɛ nka ne tete sika no 2 trillion so ɔmo fa mo nsuo ho kama Ghanafoɔ ɛnkankan ne ahiafoɔ a pipe ɛni ɔmo fie ɛna ɔmampanyin Akufo-Addo kaa sɛ ɔbɛ mobilize tankers ɛwɔ kurom a both private and public na ɔmo de nsuo akɔ saa fie no mu nyinaa nti wokeka saa sika yi bɔ mu a ɛyɛ 2.8 trillion ɛnyɛ 1.2 billion nyinaa ho asɛm yɛka just 280 million wɔ ho asɛm menua sika no ɔmo gye sɛ lockdown period no ɔmo de bɔ ahiafoɔ lockdown period no lasted for only 3 weeks 3 weeks pɛ na wɔtwe mmiɛnsa ɛna ɔmampanyin yi firi hɔ oyi lockdown firi hɔ menua ɛboro bosome aduane no so a wɔgyae kyɛ ɔnkyɛ hot food ni biem ɔnkyɛ dry food ni biem nsuo tankers ɔkaa sɛ ɔde bɛkɔ afie mu ɔnkyɛ ɛna yɛasan so ahu sɛ apart from sɛ wɔgyae aduane no kyɛ na lockdown no yɛyɛ firi hɔ bɛɛ bosomini no sika no a yɛde ma ɔmo nso no ɛkame ayɛ sɛ ɔma yusu sika no basabasa ɛkame ayɛ sɛ ɔma di sika no bi because yɛnya danseɛ from Kumasi Tafo Pankoro no ɛne Nkran ha ɛkyerɛ sɛ NPP mpanyinfoɔ bi aduane a coronavirus aba yɛde Ghana sika apa ama ɔmo so ɔmo fa nkɔnkɔma ahiafoɔ no ɔmo de ama ɔmo partyfoɔ ama ebi mu de akɔdwom akɔtɔn ama yakye ɔmo ama ɔmo ankasa ka ɔmo anim asɛm yɛsi Kumasi abɔnten so
MPP mpanyinfoɔ bɛn a wobɛtumi abɔ ɔmo den
number 1 ɛno a yɛbɔ audio recording ɛwɔ yɛ meeting n'ase a dwomfoɔ mmaa ɛwɔ Tafo Pankoro no dwom say ɔbaa baako a ɔyɛ related to MCE a ɔwɔ Tafo Pankoro no ɛde nkosua ba adwom hɔ sɛ ɔbɛtɔn ɔmo hu sɛ ɔnyɛ obi a ɔtɔn nkosua wɔ hɔ ɔmo hwehwɛ mu hu baabi onya nkosua no firi ɛna ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ nkɔmɔ kɔ akɔkyɛ ama ahiafoɔ under coronavirus program ɛna ɔmo bɔ ne tutuo firi dwom hɔ ɛna ɔmo frɛ radio stations baa hɔ nti Silver FM foɔ kɔɔ hɔ no nkɔmɔ ɔmo ne dwomfoɔ maa ne diiɛ dwomfoɔ maa ɔmatamfoɔ ne yɛ ama ne no yɛarekɔdo a me ne wokasa wie yɛpɛ mebɛfa wɔde ama wo na CJ wode minim si na wosi dɔ ɔman yi ɛda wakoma so ne producer Tigo na mo ankasa matie bi
Sami maame ne yɛfrɛ ne sɛn maame no ɔbɛtɔ nkosua ne yɛfrɛ ne sɛn
if you listen binu mami team offered but I'll forward you the tape ɔmo ankasa no mu asɛ nyɛ ɔbaa baako na ɛkasa o dwomfoɔ maa na ɔmo kye and in fact the presiding member of the Tafo Pankoro no municipal assembly ewu Kumasi wayɛ interview with Kumasi stations a wagye atum sɛ nnuane na ɛba assembly no ebi mu divert bi ɛkɔfa adwom a na ɔmo tɔn edi gu ɔmo botom ɛma dwomfoɔ maame dwomni maame baako ɔsɛ ama mo aduane sɛ momfa ma ahiafoɔ na moapake agu dan mu saa mohu sɛ yɛyi lockdown afiri wo nti no mokɔ akɔtɔn adi moyɛ saa nti ɛyɛ yɛka sɛ aban wei mu nipa ti mu ɛden ɔmo ni tim ama Ghanafoɔ amanfoɔ nti ase aduane koraa yɛmfa nkɔma ahiafoɔ no pɛ so na ɔmɛsi ayɛ ne basabasa enti yɛdeɛ sɛ pam no otwam no wuti mu fitaa ti amu anku sɛ sika no ma yusu no kwampa so ɛde ayɛ deɛ wɔsɛ nka mo de yɛ na mo aboa Ghanafoɔ a masa the day of accountability na ba mu ho akonta enti yɛgyina Section 16 of the Audit Service Act so and I ask the Auditor General of Ghana say and when you are onye adia you a friend of special audit into 280 million cedis and can it is 2.8 trillion. Na yen hwe kwan aban fa so yusu because CJ 2.8 trillion in sika ketwa. Se men no any producer tigu kra na ye for me ye take kitchen bi na restaurant to kuma. And now mine ma ye 2.8 trillion say venture bia na ma yan ko kuma. Masa ka Ghana ni bia benya mo back. Ghana ni bia benya anwa obenya tinapa enya ntos aka ho. Ye be san so kra mo bayira aka ho. Enkonfo we 2.8 trillion ne de. Omo che aduane 2 weeks bi a aduane omo che no so no minia aduane tantan bi omo che aduane 2 weeks bi ma nipa kakra bi omo sisika na sa enti omo mu ho akonta the day of accountability na ba na enne ye the charter a special letter kwa koma auditor general apart from press conference na ya no na aka say ye nya hwehwemu ye hwehwemu no na ye say o sika no yusu no mo fa mra kwan so bibia ye kama omo tinye ku ho akonta ye bebo aban na ba so but ye hu say Oma say sika no, oma di sika na basa. Se said the omo betina konya so yi, sika die basa na ekokọ so ya. Na fe Ghana fo ehun hawa ye besumi ahodu omo accountable. Nti no na ye asem we di kan ya.
Okay, Sami, ye ngina asem we di kan no so na Article 187 of the Constitution. Men kan wo ye lawyer bi abetimi aboan na wa man entity kakra. The Auditor General shall within 6 months after the end of the immediately preceding financial year to which each of the accounts mentioned in clause 2 of this article relates, submit his report to Parliament and shall in the report draw attention to any irregularities in the account audited and to any other matter which is his opinion which in his opinion ought to be brought to the notice of Parliament. Masem Bisani say, press conference because this is what the Constitution says. Sami?
You say, Mrana, Wagana, and Yamrabako. And Mrana Dawson, the blade. You what kind of you Google Audit Service Act of 2000, Act 584. Just Google it. Audit Service Act of Ghana 2000, Act 584. Now check section 16 of that act. You see, the all kind, and on the general powers of the children say, Afibiano, Quanya, a buying fast so use your mind public accounts. And was Auditor General audited 6 months to the end of the year. And on a standard procedure or Afibia. But then on non channel, and Marana Sans one money 2 million for. You find a special audit. And on there was section 16 of the Audit Service Act. So you need say, it may be very soon, it could be here say, initial Auditor General transit claim our first one on our audit. This is the BB Koso, no fee say a chair in the national interest, will be a special audit on that expenditure or on that program alone, not in the report of Parliament. Initial or chairman finish no normal audit. Into the law provides for special audit. Let me read section 15. Now we're here for you. Coach. The Auditor General may, in addition, what's your brother for CJ? CJ.
Sami, meet you.
The Auditor General may, in addition to the audit of public accounts, carry out in the public interest such special audits or reviews as he considers necessary and shall submit reports on the audits or review undertaken by him to Parliament. Mrane say, apart from auditor or afibiano, any time will be a BBB cost will free say in the national interest. There was all yes small special audits and man mind was within here. Until you say, my name chain my friend so my name conquer normal audit. Only to Sambra we not find a special audit. You know why? Because program now it's a special program. Oh, the normal public accounts now Auditor General auditing not yet. the normal one, the usual one, just a buying a budget and a wire expenditure and a audit. The I can once any coronavirus alleviation program then can a buying budget for 2020 because as at time why approve 2020 budget last year no. Na you need the coronavirus kwabeba. Enti she ya na ye no afi we mu a few months ago say ya the third bianyama ehiafo no ya the show ma ehiafo nyina na ni budget no. Special circumstances be and ma ye make provision for that special program na say the boy ehiafo. Ma ba sika no ma use we lockdown we kem. Why be sika na wie? Aduane no we jai che. Na abai sika ye di nukwa. What charge you now? You say about 400 billion. Say for aduane. Bebu hu akonta. O se mon try ma afenso.
Okay.
Try ma afenso say.
Okay.
Abai sika wo dia. Krata da ho. You say the big gift mix. Abai sika wo be use bi and it goes through a system and it is recorded. And it's a we use ni kwampa so. I was say eye we ni gi sempu say we ba no wa ba bebu akonta ni nyina ye hu se we use ni kwampa so ni abo yense mama o. Omo twetwe omo na asia parliament. You be sa question no more de wada u be sa question mu me ya no more use sikare sen ya no more de wada ni nyina no eno kra na eme ye hu se nkofo no omo de omo sa abusikam e na omo pese omo de ye komisi komsa but enya de ye be ma ho kwan sa ye nim se ye wrado milevo de unsuro bia wo Ghana ha na dwuma so onimpa enti ye de krata da kwa akoma no na ya bompa ye se obeye sa hwehwemu we Amagana Funina, Filiga Duchi, Yehudia, Akos.
Was I mean, I was in offense for now. Na mo the Kratano Korea, Yasanso at one between as one of them, I mean, was a pass, Sammy Jenfi. Sammy Jenfi is the National Communication Officer of the NDC. Na no, Acheche and Komono. Your messages are welcome. File messages in the 055-674-8029. 055-674-8029. And of course on Facebook as well. Oko Facebook, Adomano 6.3 FM. Ewo Facebook na odo message na to ho. So on YouTube so we are live on YouTube. Adom 106.3 FM live YouTube also odo message no to on my backing kind e the amount.
See YouTube ni ana hu hia me pa nti YouTube no mo nkọ mo kwa na so aka chu ni aso no so nkonko bi onko tie die koso na nsem ni nya na ye ka no ha na ye ka no no mo kọ na so do wa che to na sije wa no ken kan ma na Daily Statesman na me wo mu ansa na wo kwa kodi nkomo yi na enwonsem de obokratai e de aba monten ye se nsore na ye bie no enye se de mpanyufo beka no ye kwaye ho se ye ntie ni ate ye de nyame din ni ye kwa kwaye asombrache na ne ye koba ne sa de awoboa abanya de obetwentwe so kra aban se ye asore se ye nkramudan se ye hemfa se hemfo na ahia se mokọ na se donhwere na wo se mokọ didwuma na se mo ma ne boroso amo asem Samoko na no ma wodo ayese mo nkwa mo horo mo nsa mo nyuzi sanitizer mo fa ade nchechire mo ano ne mo hwene ne ade na so anya eno ano no ne ye kamo si montren ye kamo si montren a si jeso ni madabampono adabampono kredu ye de kredu ba tum ye ba bomo da na adabampono kamo si abonteni atum na face mo ya soro abonteni so mo ba den yo mo amasemo ene de obokrata friends the Daily Statesman the ode eba ye no na ene yura wo so afo awona na hwa hensem na mfonyine eda ha Samuel Kofija Mesi na kasai was a constitute COVID-19 task force to enforce compliance and won some ba the obokrata no tiawa de waka nyina ne se wo so afo na hwa hensem so was ye nuanu musrami fo ye nuanu Christopher wo bi anti task force na motena nyeze bia mo de komonten mokoye abaye mokɔhwa unu se nkrofo beton no ma obabi oso mton no ma na nsi kwa so mton no ma wo mo na ebehwe na coronavirus hye mpanfo de agu apono so no ebetumi aye adwuma na the finder the obokrata wo de aba na wasofo a wo na hwe keteke adwuma die so emeti nka chojo gate and what is my baba tuja was the COVID-19 hampers railway construction as over 70 workers test positive and the obokrata the finder what the aba say there keteke adwuma die ni say anwen se obi asruwa ya
but kwaku so wonim MPP primaries here baso ene emun samsam ahodo a
mate press one here be ko virtual say digital na say digital bato on be baso Said the publisher, the assembly body, ja, ya require be first one, you between 2 and 9. Matisse and Ampany for
maybe ye unity free Etiwa East constituency. Na say Yanfani and Kahwasama, Minim Senebaku say petition waha, Sisi,
petition nabe,
Mamin Kinkai, Nafi, Mendia Vinchero. Petition to rescind decision to disqualify 4 aspirants in the Etiwa East constituency. We, the undersigned delegates and supporters of the New Patriotic Party in Etiwa East constituency, write to make a passionate appeal to the National Executive Committee, NEC, Council of Elders, and patrons of the New Patriotic Party to rescind the decision of the Regional Vetting Committee, RVC, chaired by lawyer Obribuahin, to disqualify the 4 aspirants, namely Honorable Adade Redu, Mr. Eric Ofori Ejakon, Mr. Kafui Amega, and Dr. Frank Benin, from contesting in the upcoming MPP 2020 parliamentary primaries. The decision by the Regional Vetting Committee has not gone down well with the people based on our consultations. Per our observations, the following are likely to occur if the decision is not rescinded. 1. The people have decided not to vote. The people have decided not to vote, which is going to affect our members and will be a big blow to the party. 2. There is going to be disunity in the party. 3. Defection of members. 4. Our campaign would be under threat in the general election. 5. The dangers of all is the possible emergence of independent candidates with which we can sense a vote split and the opposition can take advantage of it. It's a long one. Asia Kurano Okwasia Omodi account list of petitioners. Mako Mameshe Nipadodo saying wamo assign sa petitioning na menko ahomano so enko twetwe enkomo 189 nipa mako 189
petition ba kono
and woma sign
nipa 189
obia signature wa ha ni din ni signature ne ni phone number
na no mani abre 189 na say e disqualify nipa say 9 4 nti no ho abufuo na omo de atoro krate
yeah Maluka Umani so na mene Ekoba Echampon or a chairman disgruntled supporters of Etiwa East constituency NPP. Ekoba
Akwa
awade wo ho
no pray
na dia na esie Etiwa menti nipa mako ohane aduokono nwotwe mode monsa shakrata ase bon training Ekoba boyamane
no vije enye entrene na yebo nemu die ekoso Etiwa East NPP amanyuku mu no ena ye pese sabe ye party eye osomamanuku ye mpanifo ayewu mu no okabi betwe mu a omutie enti die nipa bi ka tro mu sa eniyama ekoyi wo Etiwa East eniyama ekoyi wo Etiwa East no ena ye pese ye tire mpanifo ne se ye chairman eni ye MP bi omo kana enye sa na tie enkofo buafu ewo vetia apparent and 9 ekoye a omo fi omo nyina omo disqualify o enkofo buafu o ma yo ma den se enya de omo to abama osomo nuku eno na yanso class din ni se enima nkoyi esan se ko ba ne sa de ya na ye party no ena ye de ne ba be ko opposition o Etiwa East president nso efri Etiwa Etiam siasie emasa ne ma ne nkoso nti ka kire mpanifo se connect ya nsanye se decision na regional vetting committee any constituency efo eteki ye no ni hu mi na so sa se decision no mteki ye na enyan trene ne yebo ye koso Etiwa ene pese ka ho asem
okay Ekoba yemfa aspirant ne mako na more grounds way reasons ben and a vetting committee no one more mine ye shall say free honorable Adade Redu one say why then meant to disqualify no
Almost honorable about the radio Kubudia. It's almost disqualified. Yes, you know, honorable about the radio. Said the only breaker whatever Kobosumoso, so Kubudia. Na tidi ni die ni won ma wo brese wo beka so wo sori akwakubudia etimpanifo akese eyi su disclaimer say omode bia bo bia akoso no omuni mu ho hwe na ye nyina so ye nim say ye chairman eye abetia wantwi o de babon tin say enkofo de kubudia na eye NDC fo a obi anim wo eti say NDC ni ko bo ni bia na NPP fo ye di agora e fa ye ho ban you say on a board that you it's disqualified. And what is civil servants? What you want to say? What you live? I don't know. What the first one is born in it is no.
All right, Rico Foraja. Also, name from Swan is saying,
you, Erico Foraja, and from Swan say, you say, or no, so, vetting committee say, why a demonstration? And so, demonstration, you know, young lady say, almost demonstration, echo police for echo J permit, and an only demonstration, you know, Oman take your minor, Emra, Kinino, Oman take your so. From police station, Echo J permit, and my own police escort, and over the year. Footage in now, almost Rico Boraga, a Cassan Cofona, a year guardian of Kahua. Almost got permit in now. It is today, and I would do way most of war, a boy Rico Boraga. And what you know, almost a Budia, when you put free America, a buy. I dare say, not as a city of Bonairing, Akoso. Also, I would do free America, I buy and then. So what no pa si di abako so a wo so wo no a wo de ho tanka bona eyi
ora ka fu ya mega ora ka fu
almost issue disclaimer ewo the ubonka ta mu say sa dia na ko so ni na omuni mu ho hwe enti ya so hwe se nkofo no sa die chairman abati wantwi e ka say omuni nkofo no no mo ye ndi difo ya ko hwe wo.
Okay.
No, because there's another horse of war open career. Omuni nkofo ni
asemo oraka fu ya megane Dr. Frank Benin so wama eden te una fe yankoye nim.
Oraka fu amaga. Almost say okoye microfinance wo Sierra Leone na okoye fraud. Ama what the crack nyina ba say adu okodi wo Sierra Leone no Juma Cody, or the Nincrata in our betray, almost a year free no mother can crata. It's one called Bank of Sierra Leone and for the current. Now, Jacob Saturday, number 1 fact, Bank of Ghana, Bank of Sierra Leone current, Emma Sunday. You know, you say, weekend, Juma. Now we need you, anybody need you. And what you know, Wakobodia, and Brady Abono, only more fee. Before you Frank Benny Swa, almost on Jedus. Nami Busau, or be your own Jedus. Party chairman, you call and Jacob Catcher and say, you see your party office. Now, Mammy Campbell goes to party office, maybe. Now, Dr. Frank Benny will tell you to I could see December 2020. Oh, tell me crack and hold your feeling. And what you know, you say Dr. Frank Benny and a car consulency. You know, the dance you say Dr. Frank Benny and I found and mine. Umina, no man, a car consulency. So, supporters here, what is any delegates. What you see him say, or man attack influence. And what you Wabodia, the Abono Sono, only the Hoshi. So the MD Kakayana, Chama Abetanchi, Ekasawo, sister station. Efe Udi microphone. 20 cents a year, the microphone, and Kessa, chairman abetanti eko fan krofo ne ba
Ekoba mo suspicion ne sen madwene mu no mu say anamo a mpendefo no wa tu no wa mu tu di aboa obi wa mu person mu favor candidate bi ana Ekoba
sa na tie edomu todo so mu yeje asiba sitting MP esan say yen ko be to yiye modi mo pa mo soma sentrofo lo mo ma me free ankase eye enyire mo ankase eye etuwa east ye ne fanti akafo ehie so efe ni bebo so wosisi nyina ni ko si ye ne nkoko fo hie so enyina kire say what will be 2020 na wo ye no die tete die ewo so nyina ne kire say ya ka bi akire no osisi ya ansa ye ko betin iti dena na ye ko so enti ana wosisi say be bo so no
Ekoba nipa 198 mu petition then am hwe animu mugidi say National Executive Committee wo mo betimi agina so na wo masesa wo madwene wo hwe baabi a nhyehyeye ne anamonto no akwakodu a Ekoba
yo die minimum pa na say bro mu disqualify wo no o mako appeal committee e di o mo nkrata nyina kwakokere appeal committee access say Boy, you are moving on, opening home for the 200 attack on Wednesday. What the Nincrata, Aquaco Boy, say, well, all my contributions a new Pino says, so what are you opening home for? So, would you free one more? The 2 demonstration, what for you one? Come on, it's the aspirant and minor. You said disqualify Omono, Omco, National Appeals Committee. You will give your pastor and car time over the coin and answer evidence over the coin, you know. And 24 nothing a year, nothing you say, the person party, also. Now you said disunity, and then to move about party at where you see there. Not I will say, almost nothing, not the connect meeting, almost satisfied, sir, and I will two.
Okay.
Omunya no tu ye no omusa no no mo se enkofu esa abreye yes sir ya hwani ya ye tehanu mo a the C20 2008 e won kokko ko influence no ya hwani ya na bi asimutu wayi ye mpan sa
Ekoba
ye hu ne se omu kan sam tre na sena se enye sa na tie ye sro you say you are buying the party na what aban mu omu suma national security for BNI for no more measure research no means that the year can be a true and I say okay
my menda was remaining team you say ye ko anim ye besa so atwetwe sanse mi ho enkomo ekoba a champion a chairman disgruntled supporters of Etua East constituency NPP. CJ, please, may I know if NDC members are Christians who go to church and read the Bible? Why are they not in power but want to dictate to the legal constitutional processes? We Ghanaians are watching them. Ajay Enodi way. But good morning, CJ. My name is Olamide from Ekwapim Tutu. Please, this should change the mode of registration because most Ghanaians don't have the Ghana card and the passport they want to use. At least the old voters' ID can be considered. Dr. Abedi Kwada so and Odiwe, but the government has outlined protocols that churches must adhere to as they are given the green light to worship with congregants. But I think the NDC are not serious. So they don't have any meaningful policies to share for us to be convinced. Always propaganda. Fadi Abraham is 0556748029. Na yebekin kan ediama. Manse no aba. Okuman kraba kwa waka ensroja. No ne the mysterious maestro.
CJ, we are brutal. If you come on.
Wako unia. Kwamra?
Champion.
Oh, de ho.
Is it nice for champion?
So
was Charlie. I don't pay. What's so Johnny too much? What's so Johnny too much? In fact, what's so Johnny too much? CJ.
Kwamra? What's that come on there? Kwamra meet you.
What's so Johnny too much? My friend, you don't need to. When I'm talking about you, you don't need to talk.
Hey, as I'm not against Maestro.
The concrete of sports, the roofing.